Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my dirty car into a shining masterpiece using pro detailing secrets. When it comes to maintaining our vehicles, many of us struggle to keep them looking their best. But the truth is, a clean and well-maintained car is not only a reflection of our personal pride, but it also helps to preserve its value and overall condition. That's why professional car detailing is so important. It's a crucial step in keeping our cars looking and feeling their absolute best. One of the biggest challenges car owners face is dirt buildup. It's amazing how quickly dirt and grime can accumulate on our cars, dulling the paint and making them look worn out. And if we're not careful, that dirt can lead to scratches and swirl marks that can be costly to repair. Another common issue is fading paint. Over time, the sun's UV rays can cause our car's paint to fade, losing its luster and shine. And let's not forget about the interior. Stains, odors, and dirt can make our cars feel like a dirty, cramped space. Dirty cars can really detract from our overall driving experience. Imagine getting into a car that's clean and smells fresh, versus one that's dirty and full of stains and odors. It's a completely different feeling, right? A clean car can make us feel more confident, more proud of our vehicle, and more comfortable on the road. But achieving that showroom shine can be tough, especially if we're not using the right techniques and products. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just a busy bee who wants to keep their car looking its best, the good news is that achieving a professional level shine is within reach. With the right techniques and products, you can transform your dirty car into a stunning masterpiece that turns heads on the road. When it comes to washing, polishing, and interior cleaning, there are so many different methods and products out there. From soft bristle brushes to microfiber cloths, from wax to ceramic coatings, the options can be overwhelming. But what if I told you that there's one secret product that can make all the difference in achieving that professional level shine? One of the biggest secrets of professional car detailers is the use of a high-quality detailing spray. These sprays are specifically designed to give your car an incredible shine and protect its surfaces from the elements. But what makes them so special is their ability to lock in that shine and keep your car looking great for weeks to come. By using a detailing spray on a regular basis, you can maintain that showroom shine without breaking the bank or spending hours detailing your car. The best part is, these sprays are incredibly easy to use. Simply spray them onto your car's surface, wipe them off with a microfiber cloth, and you're left with a shine that's unmatched. And because they're so easy to use, you can use them on a regular basis to keep your car looking its best. Whether you're washing your car, detailing the interior, or just need a quick detail fix, these sprays are the perfect solution. So, how do you get started with using a detailing spray? The first step is to choose a high-quality spray that's specifically designed for your car's paint type. From there, it's as simple as spraying, wiping, and enjoying the incredible shine. And don't forget to use it on a regular basis to maintain that shine and keep your car looking its best. In summary, professional car detailing is all about achieving that showroom shine and maintaining your car's overall condition. By using the right techniques and products, you can transform your dirty car into a stunning masterpiece that turns heads on the road. And with the secret of detailing sprays, you can achieve that professional level shine without breaking the bank or spending hours detailing your car. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks for keeping your car looking its best. If you've got any car detailing experiences or tips you'd like to share, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more car care tips and tricks.
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up